At the user screen, the short ink tank information is displayed. Open the ink tank cover. Pinch the top of the blue lock lever, then push it up. Remove the used ink tank. Prepare the replacement ink tank. Shake each ink tank gently once or twice. Turn it upside down, then open the pouch. The insert side has ink holes and metal contacts. Do not touch the ink holes or the metal contacts. Insert with the barcode facing the front. Then click to close the blue lock lever. Be careful not to get your hands dirty with ink. Close the ink tank cover. Installed ink tank information is displayed on the user screen. The ink tank replacement is now completed.